guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's actually not that early, it's like 8 a.m. But oh my god, why does my voice sound, does this always sound like when I wake up? Okay guys. So today I'm going on a trip. I'm going to Los Angeles. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably like, didn't you just move to New York from Los Angeles? Yes. I've only been here for a month, and yes, I'm already going back, but I'm only going back for like 5 days. And I'm going back because it is one of my best friend's birthdays tomorrow, so I'm gonna go surprise her and the gang. And then I'm gonna do a photo shoot with one of my friends back in LA. But for the most part, it's just gonna be like a little fun little vacation for the week, you know, getting out of New York. I know I've only been here for a week, and trust me, I'm living my best life. But so this video is just gonna be like a get ready with me for vacation because I'm leaving in like 6 hours and I don't have anything packed, and I'm about to take a shower because I need to wash my hair before I get on the plane. And I just want to talk to you guys because I'm bored when I get ready and I don't know what I'm gonna bring and I'm stressed. But like if I talk to the vlog, then maybe I'll be okay. Cause look at this, it's a hot mess. But we're gonna see what happens. I'm excited though. But let me wash my hair first and I'll be back because that's gonna take way too much time. So I just got out the shower and now I'm about to try to comb my hair. Oh, also, I'm gonna record myself when I get to the airport because I'm about to go in this fancy airport lounge. I'm getting to the airport extra early so I can go to this fancy airport lounge and eat extra good food. So yeah, I've been in New York for about a month now. I do like it. I actually really like it here. I feel like I'm gonna end up staying here longer than, you know, intentionally planned. You guys know I was trying to be here for 6 months and then the world. But I feel like I might be here. But also I'll let you know in like 4 months because I'm not really sure. Oh my god, I went to a party by myself, guys. Who is she? I don't know. So if you don't know, when I moved to New York, I didn't know anybody. I knew one person, which was my friend from college. I knew 2 friends from college. I knew those 2. And then I knew some people who were like kind of connected, but also not really. So when I moved out here, one of my sister's friends said, oh, I'm gonna introduce you to somebody who can get you to meet more people. I was like, okay. So then I exchanged like 2 texts with this guy. He was like, oh, we're having a dinner party. You should come and bring a friend. But I didn't have any, you know, I only got 2 friends and both options were busy. So I held my breath and went to this party by myself. And it was actually great. If you've never been to a party by yourself, I feel like I would recommend for an experience for everyone because like that anxiety that I experienced before, I almost blacked out, but I'm so happy that I went and I literally just, but it was fine. Like once I got there, everyone was really nice and everyone was talking to me. But anyways, I remember why I was telling the story. Oh yeah, because I met some people there who like work kind of in the same thing that I want to do, which is like entertainment industry, and they were all so nice. They were like, oh, I'm gonna connect you with X, Y, and Z, like, oh, you should meet this person, blah, 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 versus in LA, I feel like I wouldn't have talked to any of them. But also maybe I just go to the wrong type of parties in LA, but also probably not. Because I was in LA for like 6 years and I never went to a party like that. Unless it was people I know. If it's people I know, then it's like that. But like a random party by myself, I feel like I would never do that in LA because I would never have that type of experience. Wow, my hair actually wasn't that tangled today. I think it's because I washed it a couple days ago. Man, sometimes when I wait too long, I wait like a week to wash my hair, I swear. At that point, I might as well just shave my whole head off because it will be easier to get through at that point. All right, it's 9:30. It's gonna take me an hour to get to the airport. On the train, which is, you know, fun, of course. But I'm excited. My flight doesn't leave till 4, but I'm getting there super early because there's this airport lounge I want to go to. Because when you go, I'm so excited because it's so nice. I'm gonna film when I get in there, but you literally it's like a buffet. So not recently, when I first started my channel, I did a curly hair routine. But the one I do now, it's like kind of the same, but instead I comb it and I use this Denman brush because look, oh shoot. Travel with a backpack. Okay, you're leaning, hold it. Alright, now I have to try to figure out what I'm gonna pack. And I normally only travel with a backpack, which that's what I'm doing today. But, hold up. It's a struggle today because, oh man, dang it. Just sat in some booty flakes. It's a struggle today because like 90% of my clothes are dirty and I'm definitely not about to try to figure out my washing machine situation before I go, so I'm just gonna pack my dirty clothes and then as soon as I get there I'm gonna wash them. what do I need to bring? It's like 80 degrees in New York, I mean in LA. So I need to take some tights so I can work out. I need to take my workout shoes. I think I'm only gonna take my workout shoes. I'm just gonna wear them because I don't feel like taking anything else. That's too much work. So I'm gonna take that. I don't think I really need anything else, to be honest. I need workout tights, workout shirts, workout clothes. Oh, I need like toothbrush, toothpaste, but I think I left the toothpaste. I think I left enough stuff. Well, my sister's been running an Airbnb in my room, basically, but I don't know what I'm taking. Just enjoy this time lapse of me packing, because I honestly have no idea and I can't. Like, my brain is broken right now trying to sit here and think about it. Right here, that's what I'm taking. Do you want to see my airport outfit? I mean, I guess, right? Hold on. T-shirt, sweatpants, and I think I'm gonna throw on a hoodie just so I can cover my face on the plane. But yeah, I just finished packing and now I'm about to head on this hour-long journey to the airport. And when I get there, I'm gonna vlog because I'm going to this airport lounge and I'm so excited because I'm gonna get so much free food and it's gonna be a blast. And I don't know, great things, man. Great things, big things, man. Alright y'all, so I'm finally at the airport. It literally took me an hour to get here, but now I have to go through airport security, and when I get through security, the airport lounge is literally on the left. So you walk in and you go to the left. I've been before, low-key, I've been one time. But I'm about to go through security, and then I'm gonna go find this lounge, and we're just gonna eat for like 3 hours, because that's all I wanna do.
Please grab a pin the visual underneath. Any laptop iPads, Kindle speakers, cameras are coming out of your bag. Okay. Please grab a pin, the pins are underneath. You can put your shoes in there, your jacket in there. The watch stays on, okay? You keep the watch on.
From another connection, you're connecting?
No.
But in order to come to the lounge, it should be before 3 hours of your departure.
What time is
You
it?
can come back at 12:59.
12:59? Okay.
You know what? You can go to Delta Lounge, then you can come back to us.
Alright, so I lied. I mean, my flight is in 4 hours, and you can't get into the lounge until 3 hours beforehand. So now I have to go wait downstairs until 3 hours before so I can come back and I can eat some good food. But I was so excited because I got here so early because I'm so hungry, but now it was pointless. But now I know. Don't arrive to the airport 3 hours before you fly. And I would literally never come this early. I normally am the type of person to get here and then like have to sprint to my gate. But I came early just so I could eat. But I can't even eat, so now I'm gonna go mess around and then I'll be back whenever I can get in. Alright, I'm walking back to the airport lounge and I'm about to try to go get in again. It's 3 hours until my flight starts, so I should be good.
Welcome back.
the chickpea stew. Do you like the braised greens or the spring veggies better?
Spring veggies.
Okay, yeah, then the spring veggies. All right, so I just came in and I'm finally back in and I'm so excited to eat this food right now. I just got, oh my God, let me just show you this food I just got. That is chicken breast with mashed potatoes, roasted veggies, and they said this, she said this was a chickpea soup type of thing, but she said she loved it. She said it was amazing, so I'm so excited to try it. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna try this chicken first. I already tried the mashed potatoes, I'm fake. Oh wow. Oh my God. Tastes like a garlic seasoned chicken. I'm gonna try these mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes, fire. This is a mushroom. Mushroom, fire. Chicken, fire. Okay, let me try everything. And then I'll go back and eat everything. This is a chickpea soup. That's good. That's fire, actually. I'm gonna tell you about the 5 of these chickens y'all should know. I'm at the JFK airport, and this is it's like the AMEX centurion. I don't know. But they got free food, free Wi-Fi, free. And this food, as soon as I discovered this lounge, there's nothing else that could get me to come to the airport this early, except for this free food. Because this food is bomb. Like, what is that? Oh. Never had that type of veggie before. Broccoli though. Broccoli, fire. If y'all don't know, broccoli is my favorite vegetable. And I recently discovered cooking it. So if you cook broccoli in the oven with olive oil, lemon juice, tahini sauce, which is like a Middle Eastern type of seasoning. What is it? Garlic powder. Change your life. Change your life. Okay, I had to get more of this chicken because this is just, oh my God, chef's kiss. And then this little garlic mashed potatoes, bomb. And then this time I'm gonna try a dessert. This chicken, when I tell you this chicken is so good, and this little mushroom. I could literally eat like 10 of these little chicken mashed potato dishes. Like the mashed potatoes by themselves, fire. The chicken by itself, tender. Okay, it's finally time to try this dessert. I have no idea what it is, but it looks like a crumble of some sort. All right, let's get close up. Oh. Tastes like a pear. Oh. This dessert is too fancy for me. I have no idea what that is. It literally tastes like a pear. But what is that? That does not, pear does not look like that. Yeah, if I'm being honest, I have no idea what these flavors are. I'm pretty sure one of those fruits is a pear. This, I don't know what this is. It's kind of good though. I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Could have been sweeter, could have had more flavor, and I don't really know what's going on there, so. I just finished eating, and now I'm just chilling. It is 1:55 p.m. My flight leaves at 3:59, so that is 2 more hours. Great, that's fun. So I'm gonna go walk around a little bit, show you guys a little bit about the lounge. If you do get a chance to go to the JFK airport and you do get a chance to go into one of these lounges, I would 10 out of 10 recommend it because food, phenomenal, the people, phenomenal. Like, it just takes the airport experience to a whole different level. It is kind of hard to get in though, but if you can figure it out, you're golden star. So let's go walk around because they actually have a speakeasy. There's literally a speakeasy in this airport lounge. I'm gonna go in there for a second. And we're gonna see it. It's gonna be great, baby. Oh. It's the coolest thing ever. It's so cool. They have free alcohol too, but I don't drink, so that's pointless for me. But I'm just gonna be chilling here. I'm about to edit this video, and then I'm gonna be on my flight to Los Angeles, baby. And it's gonna be a great time, so subscribe to my channel if you guys wanna see me in Los Angeles, baby. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Thank you.